lot of times it's just from stress, is a bit, stress management techniques. Okay. And we talked a little bit about sleep a little bit earlier, but there's some really interesting studies. If you look at the difference just between 6 hours of sleep and 7 hours of sleep, like it's tremendous. Okay. So there was one study that showed a 24% increase in insulin sensitivity just from that 1 hour of sleep.
Wow.
Okay. They showed that your cortisol levels are going to be, significantly higher with that extra hour of sleep being less. Your inflammatory markers are going to be higher if you're losing out on the hour of sleep. There's another meta-analysis, which is meta-analysis just means basically they put a bunch of studies and a bunch of data together into one big study.
Yeah.
So almost 500,000 patients around that figure, where they found that, all-cause cardiovascular mortality and all-cause, mortality was decreased by that extra hour of sleep.
Wow.
So people aren't factoring in how much, 7 hours minimum of sleep can, pay a toll on your health. And so getting ready for a wedding, you have a million people trying to contact you and you're doing so much stuff. You have to make sure you're giving yourself the self-love of giving yourself at least that amount of sleep, because you need that REM sleep for your hormones to function. REM sleep is your dream sleep. So you got to be having dreams to replenish your body. In the morning, when your cortisol is the highest, that's when you want to make sure you can actually get even low angle sunlight for a couple of minutes. It's been shown to have tremendous effects for, promoting your health. And then if you can just move your body, I know our mornings are the most hectic because we have all our emails, all our texts, everything from the night before. Right. And we're like, you just feel like you got to get right back into it.
Yes.
But it's like, it's so beneficial if you can just give yourself, and if you're busy, 10, 15 minutes just to move your body, just somehow, whether it's, a walk outside, whether it's
anything,
like
just
stretching,
anything.
yoga, just something where it's just your mind, your thoughts, your time. And, it doesn't matter who's calling or who needs you at that moment.